Hey beauties, it's time for a quick wash and go using just 2 products that really keep my hair defined and moist. I'm using the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm pairing that with the Tropical Moringa Braid Out Glaze. This stuff has so much definition to it. And I'm using rubber gloves. That is correct. Please do not knock what you haven't tried. I've used these type of gloves many times. Just like the vinyl, latex, rubber gloves give me amazing slip, making it easy to detangle and distribute the product throughout my hair. This video is pretty much a continuation from the Amla pre-poo I did, which is why my hair is looking a little extra juicy. If you haven't seen that video, click that little white box up top right there, or you can check out the description box. This is a wash and go. You guys already know it's gonna be on and poppin'. I hope you guys enjoy.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. How much you missing? From the start, and you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. Missing someone, I am sad and so with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. How much you missing? And you deserve. And you deserve. And you deserve. And you did it right from the start. From the start, missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video.